Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix slow charging problem in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. Friends, first you have to check your lead if it is broken or something. It will not, or you can check your adapter also if it is not working. So if it is working, then you have to go to your settings of your smartphone. Here it is applications, then click on see all application, reset your app preferences, click on search, and here you have to write Google Play Services and then clear cache this and simply press back. And if it is doing slow charging, and you have to click on automatic updates. If it is enabled, you have to turn it off from this, you can see, and turn off from the Play Store also if it is automatically downloading while charging your smartphone, so it will make a slow charging. Just click on settings, click on network preference, and click on auto update apps, then click on don't auto update apps. So it will fix your slow charging problem in your smartphone. And don't charge your smartphone while playing games, or you are doing some activities, so it will make your smartphone heat and it will make a slow charging also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.